ceiling fan.
Oh, a ceiling fan. He bought me one.
He bought you one?
Yeah. Take a picture of it.
I'm taping it. It's on video.
Yeah.
That's all you wanted.
Yeah. Daddy, we should put the boy later. Look at Daddy.
Wow, that's cool.
Yeah, I'm gonna open it. I'll bring you the knife so you can open the box. And I will see those parts.
Okay.
That was too cute.
I brought you one day.
Careful, careful, careful.
So you can put the box so I can see the heart. Man, Baba, I wanted that forever.
I know you wanted that forever, honey.
And there's some parts. Look at Daddy play.
Let me see the blades. Can you hold them up for me? Oh, wow. He got a ceiling fan.
Yeah.
Do you think there's some pulls in there?
Yeah, and he's like, what is this?
I don't know.
Yeah, because Daddy's some pole.
Some pulls?
Daddy.
Can you help him out there, Dad? Okay, got it. What part is that?
The right part.
Careful.
I think that's the motor. Devin, look at me. Do you love it?
Yeah.
Is that the best present ever?
Yeah.
What'd you get?